Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy DIY floral centerpiece. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. Here you'll find practical tips for a home you'll love. Today is the very first video in my new series, DIY Quick Tips. In my first video that I posted on YouTube, I talked about how I like small, easy DIYs in order to decorate your home on a budget. And I featured this centerpiece right here. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. I first made this centerpiece for our first adult apartment. So after we got married, we moved into our first adult apartment. And I, of course, wanted to decorate and make it nice. But we didn't have a lot of money because right before we got married, my husband quit his teaching job to start his personal finance blog. And so we were living off of just my teaching income. So we were trying to save money when we could. I had a new apartment. I wanted to decorate it. I wanted to make it nice. So I had to figure out ways to do that without spending a ton of money. So I came up with this centerpiece. Today, I'm going to show you the materials that you need in order to make one for yourself and show you how to make it. This centerpiece would look great not only in your living room on a coffee table, it would look good on a side table, it could also look good on a desk or on a countertop, and would look great next to my free printable. So stay tuned till the end and I'll tell you how to get that. The materials that you'll need for this DIY are a small vase. This one was from our wedding, so I actually got this for free, but you can get small vases like this at the dollar store or Walmart, and they'll only run you a couple dollars. Some marbles to put in the bottom. These I got at Hobby Lobby for $2.99, but I have also seen them at the Dollar Tree. Some fake flowers. This set I got at Hobby Lobby. It's marked $9.99 and that's what they're marked at Hobby Lobby. But most of the time these are on sale for 50% off, so you can get it for $5, or if they're not on sale, you can always use the Hobby Lobby app to get 40% off a regularly marked item. My mom also recently purchased some flowers just like this from Walmart and Dollar Tree. The ones at Walmart I think were like 97 cents, and then the ones at Dollar Tree were $1. They look almost exactly like this. So depending on your budget and how much you want to spend, you can choose where you want to go to buy them. These are white hydrangeas that I bought. I like white because I have a neutral palette in my house, and so white goes really well. You could pick a spring color if you wanted to. You could go for colors that complement your home, or if you want to play it safe, white is always very, very safe. You'll also need some scissors to cut down the stem, and if you pick some flowers like mine, this has a wire in it, you'll need some type of wire cutters to cut the wire. Okay, so we have all of our supplies here, so we're gonna get started. The first thing that you wanna do is to measure the vase up against the flowers. So I'm gonna turn them on their side like this, and I'm gonna hold it up against the vase where I want it to be. I want to put the flowers direct to where they sit right on top of the vase. That way you don't see like a stem sticking up. So I'm going to hold them where I want it. And let's see, it looks about right here. Now this is a little thick, this part right here. So I'm actually going to cut about right here. So even with this stem that's sticking off. So let's move this out of here. Now since I have oh, that came off, but we're gonna keep this. So I'll show you what to do with that later. So set it off to the side. Since my flowers have a wire in them, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the scissors and I'm gonna kind of like make a little mark, and I'm gonna cut around here because the scissors aren't going to cut all the way through. I'm gonna have to get this waxy plastic part off first. Move it around, turn it, and kind of just like scoring the plastic so that you can slide it off. Okay, so the wire right here actually ended up coming out there, so I might be able to get this a little closer here. There we go. Okay, so the wire in mine came out from right here, but if yours doesn't do that, after you score the plastic and you get that piece off, then you take some wire cutters. So these are flat right here, and then I would put it up against here and snip the wire right there. That way we have a piece that is flat that we can put into here. Now, then here we go. Here's this other leaf that fell off. Any leaves that fall off, just keep them. You're gonna want them. Now let's move these out of the way, and we're going to see if this fits where we want it. So I'm gonna set this in here, and this looks pretty good. It's sitting in there, it's hitting the bottom, and when I am looking around here, it looks like it is just sitting at the top level with the vase. So next step, once we have that, we're gonna take this tag off here. All right, now that we have this flowers ready to go, we are going to take our marbles and we're gonna pour the marbles inside of the vase. You don't wanna fill it up all the way. I'd say maybe, probably about like 3/4 of the way. Now I'm going to reach my hand in here. This is gonna be loud. All right, that's good. I'm going to save these marbles for something else. The reason that we put the marbles in here is so that the flowers stay put when you put them in the vase and they are not moving back and forth. And then it also makes it look like the vase is full so that you're not just looking straight into this clear vase and all you see is this stem of the flowers sticking out. So then you're going to take your flowers and push them in. You have to move the marbles out of the way. Now here is where the leaves come in. So if you notice, there's only 2 leaves that are still attached to this stem. So to make it look a little bit fuller and to add a little bit of greenery, all we're gonna do is kind of reach inside, and I'm gonna try to get this part of the stem right here, even with the middle part of the stem on the flowers, and just push it in. So this spot right here is empty. There aren't any leaves there, so I'm gonna push that in there. And then I'm gonna turn it around because this spot right here doesn't have any leaves either, and I'm gonna take this one and do the same thing. And then from there, you can adjust. I'm gonna kind of push these leaves down here and then fluff up the flowers. If you don't like where one of the leaves is, you can just take it out and move it. If there are too many leaves, you can take them out, or you can cut them off to where it is how you want it. So this one right here is kind of bothering me. So let's see. That's one that's attached. So I'm just gonna push that back in. I could take it off if I wanted to, but I'm also going to, since it's sticking up, I'm just gonna bend it down a little bit here. And there you go. And the final product, a beautiful floral centerpiece that you made yourself and didn't cost too much money, that you can use in your living room, on a coffee table, on end tables, on a countertop, or would look beautiful next to my free printable. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it inspires you to create an easy DIY project in your home. For watching today's video, I have my free printable that you can download if you would like to place it next to your DIY centerpiece. Just click on the first link down in the description. It'll take you to a page where I'll ask for your name and email address. Just pop those in so I'll know where to send it. If you liked this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up below. Also, comment below and let me know what types of DIY videos you want to see on the DIY Quick Tips series. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.